Hi everyone. Tonight I'm going to prepare for a backpacking trip, and I wanted to show you the most important things that I am bringing with me to make sure that at least I'm comfortable during the hike. So first is my bag, which is enough to carry everything that I need. And then this is my sleeping pad. Sleeping bag. My waterproof bag, which is double purpose. I can put my clothes here, and whether it rains or gets wet, I will protect my clothes. Or if we just go for a short hike, I can leave all the things in my bag and just carry the important things, light things with this bag. Of course, this is my cooking pot. Let me show you what's inside. I have here my portable stove. My fork, very important. A lighter. Of course, this is very important. The fuel. Of course, bring with me my water container and set it up inside my bag. So it holds 2 liters of water, and I have some overrated meals here. Sure. Good. Headlamp for my phone. Of course, batteries. I have here some glow sticks, just in case, you know, I need it for emergency. My hiking socks. This is very important. And my hiking boots, shoes, running and trail boots. Of course, I have clothes, towels, jackets, and don't forget to bring battery pack, cord, toiletries of course, and that's it. I guess I'm ready to go. So I hope you learned something from this, because during my first time it was really so difficult for me to figure out the things that I need and the things that I don't need. But after the first trip that I have, I learned how to practically bring the most significant things that will make me feel comfortable during that. That's all.